Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on this leaf bag holder. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. As I open it up, I noticed that the metal that is used seems very durable. I feel like it's going to last a long time. Now it does come with the two top pieces and then the two bottom pieces. Now it's super simple to put this together. We have the little X. You got to make sure that you can slide the end pieces in there. So easy setup. The leaf bag holder is a large capacity. It will fit from 30 to 45 gallon bags. You could use the paper sacks for outdoors or with a garbage sack in your garage. Now you could use this in many different leaf collections, outdoor camping to have a trash. You could use it for your lawn maintenance. You could also put it in like clothes storage. It's very easy to set up and you just adjust it depending on what size you need for your bags, but super simple. And here it is all set up. Now it can be folded back down and stored easily also. The bag holder really did provide my bag very stable area for it to be moved around. I just flipped it over the edge like that. I was able to carry it very easily and it really just kept its shape very well. Not collapsing all by itself. I was able to throw different things in. You can see right here I'm using it as a yard waste, and there we go. It's a great bag holder and I do suggest this.